New video at 5 of a car nearly cutting off a Pittsburgh fire truck. You can see the truck had its lights on and its siren blaring. Channel 11's Gabriella DeLuca is live. And Gabriella, it's not just dangerous for the driver, firefighters' lives and the people they're trying to help are also on the line here.
Yeah, Peggy, Pittsburgh Public Safety posted this video of this incident that happened in Squirrel Hill on their Facebook page as an example of what not to do when you encounter an emergency vehicle. In this video, you can see there's a green light at the intersection, but most cars aren't moving, except for the SUV in the corner of the screen. It pulls around the car in front of it, then you see a fire truck come down the hill, braking just in time.
What I saw there was somebody being impatient. The second car in that video trying to get around instead of waiting another 10 seconds for the emergency vehicle to come through.
Although the video doesn't have sound, Pittsburgh Public Safety says the lights and sirens on the fire truck were activated. They're using this close call as a reminder to drivers to pull over to the side of the road when you see or hear an emergency vehicle.
If it's coming at a T intersection or a four-way intersection, the cars have to stop and yield the right of way to those emergency vehicles.
They say it's not only for your safety, but the emergency responders too.
If they hit that car, you don't know where that car is going to wind up going. It's going to hit other cars, other pedestrians. It's just inherently dangerous to everybody around it.
If you're ticketed for not yielding the first time, that's a $250 ticket. The second time, it's $500. And if there is a third time, that's $1,000 plus a possible driving suspension. Reporting live from police headquarters, Gabriella DeLuca, Channel 11 News.